In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect wireless gamepad to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any gamepad or controller with your Android smartphone. So for this video, I chose the DualShock 4 as an example. However, any controller that supports Bluetooth connectivity will work. So I'm going to try my best to give you general instructions on how to connect them, but I cannot give you instructions for every single controller model out there. But I'm still going to cover how you can get the setup started. So first, go into your device's settings and access the Bluetooth category. In here, you have to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So the primary way to connect wireless gamepads to smartphones is going to be over Bluetooth. If for whatever reason your particular gamepad includes a USB dongle, then you can plug it into the charging port and see if that can be used instead. But for 99% of them, you will simply be setting up a Bluetooth connection. So with Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone, you now have to set up your controller into pairing mode so that it can be discovered by the smartphone. For the DualShock 4 and DualShock 5, so the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 controllers, this can be done by pressing and holding the PlayStation and share buttons simultaneously. So press both of these buttons down for a few seconds together. This will enable pairing mode, making it so that the gamepad appears on the list of available devices. Make sure that you are in close proximity of your smartphone and that there are no interruptions nearby or that the controller is connected to another device. And if you choose it from the list, you will be able to use it when you go inside of any game. If you have a different controller, such as an Xbox controller or a Nintendo Switch controller, then you will have to look for the synchronize button instead. Usually it is going to be at the top of the gamepad or the controller, and by pressing this button, then pairing mode will be initiated. As I've said before, this is going to differ for every single type of controller, so if you cannot find a sync button and you aren't using a PlayStation controller, search for instructions on how to enable pairing mode for your particular model of controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wireless gamepad to Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.